I bought one of my Grail sneakers from Instagram and we're gonna unbox them. They came in. I'm so excited to get into this video. If you guys love sneakers and you love sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. We have a giveaway going on for the FLINT 13s, brand new size 11. I'm giving away this pair right here. To enter the giveaway for the FLINT 13s, all you guys gotta do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that thumbs up, then check the link down below in the description, go to the giveaway video. When you're on the giveaway video, just leave a comment, and at the end of your comment, leave a way for me to contact you. I'll be picking the winner for this pair of FLINT 13s on June 22nd. So we've been killing it on the channel, and I've been setting goals on most of my videos lately for thumbs up. Hitting the thumbs up does help the YouTube algorithm. It helps me grow here on YouTube. So guys, please hit that thumbs up. Let's see if we can get this video up to 500 likes in the first 24 hours. Now, let's unbox these sneakers that I did buy from Instagram. I need this sneaker, man. This sneaker is such a must-have, and I'm very excited I was able to purchase this pair. So I'm very excited to get into this unboxing, man. I've been looking for this sneaker for quite a little bit. I got a really good price, I would say, on it. I was planning on dropping a Jordan 1 collection video. If you guys want me to drop that video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. If this video can get 500 likes in the first 24 hours, I will drop my Jordan 1 collection video tomorrow. But this package came in, and this is a Grail for me, so I had to put this video first before I do my Jordan 1 collection, so make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. But anyways, let's get into this Grail sneaker unboxing. So this is a Grail sneaker for me. This sneaker, I think, released in 2019, I'm pretty sure. It is a pair of Yeezys, and I absolutely love this pair of Yeezys. It is a pair of 350 V2s, but it is not a recent pair of 350 V2s. It's a little bit older, not too much older. Like I said, I think it released in 2019, but this Yeezy was extremely limited and very hard to get. This Yeezy sold out very quick, and resale for this Yeezy has only gone up in price. This was a Yeezy Supply exclusive, I'm pretty sure, so this Yeezy is only going to continue to go up in price unless if Adidas decides to restock this Yeezy, which Adidas is known for, right? We know that Adidas and Yeezy, they'll restock pretty much any Yeezy. No Yeezy is pretty much safe at this point. Hopefully this pair is. I think it might be safe. I don't think we'll get a restock of this pair. I feel like this pair is done because it's been quite a little bit, and resale has only been going up. We could get a restock, you never know, but I think this pair might be done, so I did pull the trigger for this Grail. So as you can see, we got a FedEx box. I'm very hyped to get into this unboxing. They did ship them FedEx. The box is a little light, I'll say that, but it does sound like there's a pair of shoes in there, but it is a little bit light. But I'm very hyped to get into this unboxing. We're going to be using my Supreme knife to open up this box today, but as you guys can see, my Supreme knife is pretty faded because I've been using it for so long. I could use a new knife, so if you guys want to send me a new knife, that would be really awesome. I can, you know, shout at you out and unbox it in a video. My P.O. box is down below in the description. That would be so greatly appreciated, and I'll shout you guys out. Anyways, let's get into this unboxing of these shoes. I'm not sure. Let's just open this up, I guess, from the top. I'm hyped to see these shoes, man. These are definitely a must-cop Yeezy for me. You know, 350 V2s, I'm going to keep it real, have died down for me personally. There are a few pairs coming out in 2020 that I do personally want. I think the Zion is a really cool colorway. No, this pair is not the Zion, but I do really like the Zion. I think that one I might be copping early. I might cop those early. Let me know if I should, if it's worth it. But anyway, let's get into this Grail unboxing. This box is taking a little bit for me to open here. There we go. We're finally into the box. Now, let's open these up. We do have, oh, we got a bunch of tissue paper. So, shout out to the seller on the tissue paper. That's awesome. Let's see what we got. We got a Yeezy box. I'm hype. Let's see what we got. I'm hype. All right. Let's take these out. This box is extremely light. What the heck? 10.5. It's the size is right. Are you kidding me? I don't even know what to say. Are you kidding me? You went all through that to send me an empty fucking box? Yeah, I just cursed. I gotta bleep that out. Are you kidding me? What the fuck, man? Again, I just did it. What the hell? Really? I'm speechless. All that just to send me an empty box? Bro, are you kidding? I paid $620 for the shoe. Dead stock. Like, that's a realistic price. I gotta get my money back. That's obvious. Look, I paid PayPal invoice. If you guys want me to do a video talking about PayPal invoice, I can do that. I can get my money back on this. I know how to pay. I'm not, I didn't pay Venmo. I didn't pay Cash App or anything, Zelle or anything. Don't do that. I did PayPal invoice. But all that to send me an empty box? Are you kidding me, bro? Like, why even bother? Like, really? What's the point? I'm mind blown. Look at this. An empty box. You guys saw it. An empty box. An empty Yeezy box. Why even bother shipping anything? Why don't you just not send me anything? You sent me a... You're not getting the money. Like, I'm getting my money back. This is honestly stupid. Stupid Instagram seller. Very stupid. I thought he was legit. He looked legit. I'm mind blown over this one. I'm mind blown over this one. No one's ever scammed me and sent me an empty box before. I mean, come on, that's ridiculous. $620, man. $620 for this shoe, and this guy sends me an empty box. You have to be kidding me. Stupid. Absolutely stupid. Stupid. This Yeezy is such a grail for me personally. I spent $620 expecting the sneaker, and this is what happens. Like, I'm mad, man. I'm very, very mad. Guys, you have no idea how mad I am right now. I'm very mad. I'm gonna calm down, and then I'm gonna come back and record the rest of this video, but I'm very mad because this is honestly ridiculous and makes no sense. The seller seems so legit by his Instagram, and I paid a realistic price for the sneaker, PayPal invoice, and he sends me a package. I get a tracking number the next day, like he seemed totally legit and everything, and then I get an empty box. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna go calm down, and then I'm gonna come back and record the rest of this video because I'm very, very mad. I'm frustrated, and I really wanted this sneaker. I thought I was getting it, and I'm mad because now it messes up my video. I still get a video out of it, but it's not a video that I want to record. I'm tired of getting scammed between my mystery boxes, sometimes on eBay, now sometimes the sneaker game, man, is very, very frustrating, where I just want to stop. Sometimes it's like that when buying shoes, when you just get scammed constantly, and you just want to stop. If you constantly buy, sometimes you're going to get scammed if you don't have plugs. I don't have legit plugs, and this is what happens. I'm so mad, and I'm fed up with it. Guys, I'm so mad, you have no idea. I don't know. Sometimes I just want to stop, man. I'm sorry, guys. This is so frustrating. I'll have to come back. I have to come back and record the rest of this video.
A few minutes later.
If you guys can guess what Yeezy I actually bought down below in the comments, I will actually follow you on Instagram, everybody. So, make sure that you guess down below in the comments what Yeezy do you think I bought for $620 shipped dead stock in a size 10.5. And at the end of your guess, make sure you leave your Instagram. So if you guess it right, I will follow you on Instagram, I promise. But I am so mad right now. I did calm down a little bit. It's been a few minutes since that last clip, but I am so mad right now, guys. I'm still mad. But you know what? I'm going to get my money back. It is what it is. Like I said, lesson learned, I guess. I mean, I didn't do anything wrong, right? I don't know why bother shipping an empty box. The guy seemed legit and everything. But I guess, over a certain amount of money, it gets people, dancing in their toes and whatnot. And I don't know. And they just want to scam. I don't know. I guess certain people, like a certain amount of money makes them want to scam. I don't know. The guy had a bunch of seller feedback on Instagram. Like, he posts up legit. He seemed mad legit. I don't know. I'm mind blown over this one. I really am. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Do not forget to enter in the FLINT Jordan 13 giveaway. These are brand new, dead stock. The information for the giveaways down below in the description. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I'm mind blown over this one, man. It is what it is. I'm going to get my money back. With all that being said, I still hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you guys want me to do my Jordan 1 collection video tomorrow. Once again, hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 500 likes in the first 24 hours. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All Danny Moore 2369. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.